Hi, what's up? Here I have what I just bought in Harrison Plaza. I bought Lady's Choice Bacon Spread Mayonnaise because this is what Imelda Marcos loved to eat. What they found in Malacanang Balance. Okay, filling up a whole cabinet. Okay, that's what I know that because Carlos Aldran told me that in the Living La Vida Email, the play we're doing right now, which you have to watch. And on the other hand, this is what Carlos Aldran used to eat during martial law time, or after martial law time, because that's when the Philippine peso started going down. So he has to start eating maling because things got harder for things based on dollars. So there. I just bought this because it's talked about in Living La Vida Imelda. I've been 6 days hired as an interpreter for Tagalog, which is quite strange for me, right? I was hired here in Manila Hotel for to assist the Fuerza Bruta. Fuerza Bruta is a show. It's a international show. It's running at the same time right now in Manila, in Israel, and in New York. Sige na, para mas mabilis. Ganyan-ganyan. Oy, yun, sa likod. Sa likod. Oy, mas mataas. Sige, pwede na. Oy, konti pa. Dito. Oy. Yan. Ganon. Boys, may problema dito, di ba? Kasi sabi niya, yung ilaw hinding matigas, hinding malakas, may pasensya lang yung Tagalog ko, okay? So, kasi nakita siya walang tools mo, di ba? Walang liabe, mga liabe, ganon. Sample. Hindi pwede na, iha. Kasi tagal ka. Lahat ng araw tagal. Hindi pwede na. Mainit ang ulo ako. Ano? Anong problema mo? Ha? Bakit? Alas 11. Sabi ko, alas 11, di ba? Oh. Alas 12 na. Saan pumunta mo? Sige na. Hindi pwede, ha? Hindi pwede. Magandang gabi. Hindi pwede.